It's a busy day in here today. Let's play for some toys in the candy claw, shall we? Hopefully this takes quarters. I don't have... Oh wait, should I spend a buck first?
No, put the quarters in.
There's candy canes in here. What is it, Christmas? I'll go for that right there, I guess. I could go for the mustache, but it'll just keep flinging out. If I don't get what I'm looking at now, I'll put in a buck. And I didn't get what I was going for. There's a horrible angle. I guess I'll put in a buck. But at least I got the candy cane, which has probably been here for years.
Winner!
Here, can you put that in there for me, please?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Then I'll quit being nervous and I'll win something. Thank you. Sometimes it's a fight playing this one because you don't have to go for little stuff. And if you can't play like me, then like 2 and 1. So you got 2 candies and 1 toys. I mean, and I don't think it registered. Sweet. The 2 and 1 didn't help the registering thing.
What's the other 2 down there then?
Look right there.
Yeah.
It's the 2 I went for before and I didn't get it.
You got plenty of time. You got 20 seconds.
What's my time now? 14?
14, 13. Take a look and see how it looks.
I think I'll just drop it. I can't promise it, but there we go. Is that 2? Yep, that's both. That's 4 toys and a bunch of candy. Hopefully it didn't get stuck up here now, that crazy shape.
Alright, Tim, you did it.
Yeah, let's see what I got in toys. So I got a green ring. It's a monkey? I don't know what that is.
Like a monkey, yeah. It's your brother.
See no evil or somebody, yeah, that's right. And then a green Finding Nemo, it looks like. A bunch of green things, and then another green ring. How old do you think the candy is? Because some of it's broke.
Make that little thing inside of it. Make that little thing inside of it. That's good. You gonna try it anyways?
Yeah, look.
You have to make that thing inside. Little plush.
Usually what I do if I get a 2 and 1 is I don't play again because I got my 2, you know. But I'm winning again, or I mean, I guess. I'm playing again because I gave those 2 ducks that I just won in the previous clip away to the boy and girl before me, or after me. But I want to win because I give my prizes away to like trick or treat night and all that good stuff. Please stay, that'd be so wicked. So I got a 2 and 1. I gave it away and then I got a 2 and 1. So I got... And location giveaways count, folks. So just because I don't have it now for trick or treat night does not mean I didn't win it. So I got 4 for 2 today. So I'm right back where we started, folks. I really did it because those 2 kids are playing and not having luck. I don't think they played this one, but they played all the other machines. I'm gonna go for Groot real quick. someone real special made this guy less gettable than he was yesterday. I almost want to put in a 5, but the people before me, this thing wasn't picking up licorice. So I'll try for Groot once. Ouch. It might just hit the bottom of the claw and do nothing. If it stabs, I'm going to play again. It stabbed, I have to play again. Gosh dang it. One more try. Because that doesn't tell me if it's weak or strong because it hit the glass. I'm actually uploading a video now. It's my vending machine video. This should come out after. I think it's still gonna hit Cap. Who was that guy there? Cyborg? Somebody? I don't know. That's Justice League. Come on, don't stab. Come on. Okay. Nah, he's not good enough. This one looked like it tried to pick up. So maybe I'll go for Joker, but they did what I've been doing and they hit the bottom. So I'll be right back. This one is more cleaned out than that one, so the strength is better. But I'll go for Joker before Aquaman, because Joker's bum is out. I'll probably stab the bottom too, but whatever. Oh, there goes time. Oh. Don't rig me. Don't rig me. Don't rig me. Don't rig me. Good. Whew. Oh my gosh. I ran out of time. Matt, you would say like a dork. But see how it almost hit? Oh, come on. 10% battery low, I hear you. Okay, there's nothing really. You see his bum is back in the machine. I think I'll let this machine go now. Well, I won't. I'm going to come back. And if this thing truly is on a payout right now, then it's probably rigged. And since that guy lost the last one, I'm wondering if he helped it get to skill or what. It's time to fill up my machine at home, so I'll spin that. I'll go for the purple, my mom's color. Find a video with comments and tell me what you think. I'll say pink or purple for my mom or sister. And I got blue and another cap. I got blue, so I was wrong on that one. Told you it would be blue. I'll put that in my machine and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. We'll go for the green guy and then we'll go for the bear, which will probably stab. Look at that guy. Staring at himself in the mirror. I thought I was going to win the paper in the last one. Oh, brilliant. You know what? I could go for him, but let me stab the 22 NASCAR and that'll be it. It'd be a miracle if it misses. No, it stabbed the glass. Oh well. Time to play, I think, 3 vending machines, and that'll be it. So I'm going to be playing these for my machine. I think there's 3 at this location. Come on, give me a dice. Well, I got a... Well, it's okay. It's like a pink rubber banded bracelet. It's not the worst. Okay, now I'll play this one. Give me the parachute guy or the handcuffs. Look, I got another. I got the... Oh no, this is like a lizard, I think. I don't know, it's kind of cool. Let's check the third one out. Got all the summer stuff coming out. So, here's the machine here. Oh gosh, what the heck? Wonder if that stole a quarter. Now I'm scared to play this, but I'll try it anyway. I got a ring. It's for you, Frodo. Oh wait, just put this here with him. There we go. Okay, see you in the next one.